In a world where entertainment and innovation collide, prepare to embark on an electrifying journey through the realms of science and technology. Welcome to Stemble's Nerding It Down series. I'm your host, South Hashmi. Get ready to dive deep into the binary brilliance of your favorite TV series. Ever wondered what those complex equations on Sheldon's board mean? Or what the code says on series like Silicon Valley or Mr. Robot? What the hacking scene is, what's happening in the hacking scene? We're peeling back the layers to uncover the hidden gems of knowledge. From the hilarious mishaps of Silicon Valley where they deleted a lot of porn. Who knew the bad component could cause this much chaos? To the mind-boggling hacks of Mr. Robot. We're breaking the real-world techniques behind the on-screen magic. But it's not just about theory. Join us in this journey and stay tuned for the first ever episode of Nerding It Down, starting with Silicon Valley. And in order to not miss any video of Nerding It Down from Stemble, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And see you as soon as possible. Stay tuned.